Hello everyone, you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to solve this interesting geometry math problem. Let us say we have given a figure. There is a right angle triangle whose one side is 40 units and there is a circle inside the triangle whose radius is 4 units. We have to find out this side, this perpendicular of this right angle triangle. Now how can we solve this math problem? There are many methods used to find out this solution, to find out this one side. But one of the famous method is the Pythagoras theorem. So here we will apply the Pythagoras theorem and we will try to find out the height of the perpendicular of this right angle triangle. Now here first of all we will connect this center with these points. Now let us suppose this is center O of this circle, and let's suppose this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C of this triangle. This is point D, this is point E, and this is point F. Now as the radius of this circle is 4 units, so here these two radii will be also 4 units. Now look to this one figure DOEB. It makes a square, and as we know that all sides of a square are equal, so here the length of these sides, these segments will be also 4 units. Now here the length of this BE is 4 units and the length of this BC is 40 units. So what will be the length of this EC? This will be 40 minus 4, which is 36. So this length will be 36 units. Now here in this step we will use a tangent result. When we have two tangents to a circle from an external point, then the length of their two tangents will be equal. So here in this case we have two tangents from point C to this circle, tangent CE and tangent CF. Now the length of this CE is 36 units. So this length, this tangent CF will be also 36 units. Now we will use the same result here. Here we have two tangents from point A to this circle, tangent AD and tangent AF. Now these tangents must be equal with each other, but here we have not given the length of any tangent. So let us suppose this tangent AD is equal to x. So this will be also x. Here this side of this triangle AC will become x plus 36. So here this hypotenuse AC will become x plus 36 units. What will be this one height AB? This will become x plus 4. So here our height will become x plus 4 units. Now we will try to find out the value of x. So for that here we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square will be equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we will use this result here and we will try to find out the value of x. So hypotenuse is x plus 36. So this square will be equal to perpendicular square, which is x plus 4 in this case, whole square plus base square. Base is 40. So this will become 40 square. Let's simplify this equation for the value of x. So here we will expand this using a plus b whole square identity. Here in these two terms we will use this one algebraic identity. We can write a plus b whole square as a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. So using this algebraic identity here, this equation will become x square plus 36 square plus 2 times 36 times x. So this will become 72x is equal to, and now we will expand this using this one identity. This will become x square plus 4 square is simply 16 plus 2 for x, which is 8x plus, now what is the square of 40? 40 square is simply 1600. Now let's further simplify this equation. Here there is x square on the left hand side, so there is positive x square on the right hand side. So by subtracting both sides with negative x square, they will cancel with each other. So let's further simplify this one equation. Here we have to find out the value of 36 square. So therefore we can write 36 square as, this can be written as 36 times 36. But we can write second 36 as 30 plus 6. Let's multiply this 36 first with 30, so that is very easy. 36 times 0 is 0. 36 times 3 is 3 times 6 is 18. 8 1 will be carried. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus, now let's multiply this 36 with 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. 6 3 will be carried. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Let's add these two numbers. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2 and 1. So here 36 square gives him 1296. So we substitute this value here. So 36 square is 1296 plus 72x is equal to 8x plus we have to add these two numbers 1600 with 16. So this gives him 1660. Here we will move this 8x to the left hand side and this number to the right hand side. So this will become 72x minus 8x is equal to 1616 minus 1296. So this gives him 64x is equal to 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 9 is not possible, so it will become 11 minus 9, which is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, and this is 1 minus 1 is 0. So this expression gives him 320. Now we'll divide both sides by 64. Here this 64 and this 64 will be cancelled, and dividing 320 by 64 it gives him about 5. So here the value of this x will become 5 units. And here we will substitute this value of x here in this place, in place of x. So here our height will become x plus 4. So here the value of x is 5. So this will become 5 plus 4, which is 9. So here the height of this right angle triangle is 9 units. So here our this length will be AB will be 9 units. So this is our required answer and required target. Now in last, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for such a more interesting geometry math problems. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.